Welcome to Sirappu Suvai. Today we are going to make a Greek dish, Suffico. I have taken 1 pumpkin, 2 potatoes, 1 zucchini, 1 carrot, 3 color peppers, that is orange, yellow and red, 1 tomato, 1 onion and 2 sweet potatoes. The vegetables are very colorful and very tasty. So this is just adding these vegetables. It may seem like nothing or very simple dish, but when you cook it the way it is explained, you will definitely understand that it has the great taste. It's very healthy and very tasty. I've cut the carrot to big pieces. Carrot, potatoes, sweet potatoes, all the vegetables should be cut to similar size, only then it will cook evenly. Only when it all cooks evenly it will taste good. Even the pumpkins at this size. You can also add zucchini. Add zucchini and not cucumber. It should be only zucchini. And the 3 color peppers, all to the same size. You can see that all of them are of same size. Tomato also at the size of the pepper. Do not put the pot on the stove. Take a heavy bottom pot and add all the vegetables to it. Even the onion is cut to big pieces. Put all the vegetables in the pot, and after everything is mixed you have to switch on the flame. I've added 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of oregano. You may add salt if required later. Now mix gently and then add olive oil. This dish has to be cooked only in olive oil, only then it will have the original Greek taste. Add about 50 ml of olive oil. There is no need to add more than that. The dish is going to cook only in the olive oil and the moisture from the vegetables. So this will be very, very tasty. There is no need to add anything else to it. Cover it and let it cook on sim, only on low flame. From the beginning it has to cook on low flame only. Check it every 10 to 15 minutes so that you will know that the vegetables are done. So after about 15 minutes, add 4 cloves of garlic if you like garlic, otherwise you may omit the garlic, and add spinach. Spinach also gives a great color and it's tasty and it's very, very healthy because all the healthy vegetables are added. Anyone can eat this, even diabetic people can eat it. It's going to be very tasty. So there is no need to cut the spinach, just wash it, add it and cover it. After 10 minutes it will wilt and shrink. Now just mix for a minute and then cover it again and keep checking every 10 to 15 minutes. So once the vegetables are soft, you can remove them. You can see, you will get a wonderful aroma, and you can see that the colors are so beautiful and so appetizing. The shape of the vegetables will not change, the color will not change. It will be well cooked and the oil will not be too much. So it will be very tasty. Only when you make this dish and eat it you will know. So I am sure every one of you are going to try this and comment. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon and choose all option, when you will get notification for all the videos that I post. I am sure every one of you are going to enjoy the recipe without missing it, and I am sure all of you will comment. Let's meet in the next video.